Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive into all things beauty, skincare, and self-care. Today, I'm reviewing a product that's been around for a while and has earned its place in many beauty routines, Aquaphor Lip Repair Ointment. Whether you're dealing with dry, cracked lips from the cold weather, or just need something to keep your lips smooth and hydrated, this product claims to do just that. Let's break it down and see if it lives up to the hype. Aquaphor Lip Repair Ointment comes in a convenient 0.35 ounce tube and is dermatologist recommended. It's known for its ability to relieve dryness and soothe chapped lips, making it a go-to for many people looking to hydrate their lips quickly. It's fragrance-free and paraben-free, which is always a plus for those with sensitive skin or anyone who prefers products without added scents. Plus, it's designed to provide long-lasting moisture, which is exactly what we need when lips are in distress. Now let's talk about how this performs in real life. I've been using Aquaphor Lip Repair for a couple of weeks now, and the experience has been positive overall. The consistency is thicker than a regular lip balm, which I actually appreciate, especially in the winter months when my lips are prone to cracking. It glides on smoothly and feels quite soothing right away. The moisture lasts for a while too. I didn't have to reapply it constantly, which I find with a lot of other lip balms. During my testing, I used it both during the day and at night, and it worked well in both scenarios. I noticed it was especially helpful at night when I apply a generous layer before bed and wake up to noticeably smoother lips. It's also a good base under lipstick as it doesn't leave any weird residue, but just provides a hydrating layer. Of course, no product is perfect. One downside I've found is the packaging. It's a simple tube, but when you get to the end of the product, it's a bit tricky to squeeze out the last bit. Also, the texture might feel a bit heavy for some people, especially if you prefer lighter balms. But personally, I find the richness of the formula to be one of its strongest points. It does the job and does it well. As for the value for money, at first glance, it may seem like a lot to pay for just 0.35 ounces, especially if you're used to drugstore lip balms that come in bigger tubes. But when you consider that Aquaphor is dermatologist recommended and delivers on its promise to provide lasting moisture, I'd say the price is justified. It's also worth mentioning that you're getting a pack of 48, which makes this product a great value if you're someone who likes to keep lip balm in multiple places: purse, car, bedside table, etc. When comparing this to other lip balms on the market, there are a few alternatives that claim similar benefits, like Burt's Bees or Carmex. But Aquaphor stands out for its richer, thicker formula that provides more intensive moisture. If you're looking for something lightweight, those might be better options. But if you're dealing with more serious dryness or chapping, Aquaphor has the edge. In terms of build quality, the tube feels sturdy and the formula is consistent throughout. I haven't noticed any separation or changes in texture, which can happen with some balms over time. I do think the tube could be a bit more ergonomic for easier application towards the end of the product, but overall, it's a solid product with reliable performance. If you've ever had to reach out to Aquaphor's customer service, you know that they're pretty good at responding. While I haven't had any issues personally, the brand has a reputation for being responsive and helpful, which adds a level of confidence when using their products. As for alternatives, if Aquaphor seems a bit too heavy for your liking, you could opt for lighter options like Burt's Bees Beeswax Lip Balm or even Glossier's Balm.com. These give good hydration, but don't have the same thick consistency. If you're on the hunt for a budget-friendly option, Neutrogena's Hydro Boost Lip Treatment could also be a good contender. To sum it all up, Aquaphor Lip Repair Ointment is a reliable product for those dealing with chapped or cracked lips. Its thick formula provides long-lasting moisture, and while the packaging could use some improvement, the overall performance makes it worth considering. If you're someone who needs intense hydration, this is a great option. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to check the description box for the link to purchase. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let me know how it worked for you. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.